Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to access Payroll from Zoho Books. If you're managing your business finances through Zoho Books and need to handle payroll, this integration makes it incredibly convenient to jump between both platforms without losing your workflow. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Go ahead and click on the appropriate button based on your situation. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to create an account first, but if you're already a user, simply enter your credentials and log in. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a 9-dot icon, which represents all Zoho apps. Click on this icon to reveal the full suite of Zoho applications available to you. This is essentially your gateway to the entire Zoho ecosystem, allowing you to seamlessly move between different tools. Once you click the icon, a menu will slide in from the right side of your screen. This menu displays all the Zoho integrations and applications you can access. Take a moment to explore the list and look for the option labeled Zoho Payroll. When you find it, click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Zoho Payroll homepage. Since Zoho Payroll is part of the same ecosystem as Zoho Books, the integration is smooth and straightforward. On this page, you'll see a button that says Access Zoho Payroll. Click on it to begin the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your organization details. Fill in the required fields, including your organization name, business location, and industry. This information helps Zoho Payroll tailor the experience to your specific business needs. Once you've filled in these details, continue to the next screen. Here, you'll need to provide your organization address and answer a simple question: have you run payroll earlier this financial year? Select the appropriate answer from the two radio button options provided, then click Save and Continue. This step ensures that your payroll records are accurate from the start, and that's it. You'll now be directed to your Zoho Payroll dashboard, where you can begin managing your payroll operations. It's important to note that Zoho Payroll requires a separate subscription from Zoho Books, but the integration allows you to access both platforms effortlessly from one place, keeping everything connected and streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.